Hello friends, today we'll see how to add a event in a calendar, how to record Google Meet, and how to add guest in that particular event of Google Meet. So first you need to open a calendar which is linked to your particular email that you will be going to use for a Google Meet account. So go to the create. So I am creating event right now. So here I am showing 1:30 p.m. automatically it will be showing for 1 hour. We need to add, depend upon your time, you can add furthermore. Okay, add Google Meet conference option is there, add guest option is there. You can give a title to the Google Meet. I am giving, for example, my lecture is on DSIP, so I am giving as a DSIP. You can add the guest. So add guest means what? The people who are joining your meet. So if you have the mail ID, you can directly write here mail ID. That means you need when you join the Google Meet or when you do the conference of Google Meet, you don't need to admit that person. Okay, here you can directly write your guest name. For example, I am writing for me. So here I am already there, so I can write. So that means I don't require any permission from the organizer to add me. I can here write also. Here this is my code. Now the participant, it is for my G Suite account. For the normal account it will be 100 only. I can add the location also, description if you require you can give a description also. Now time I have shown here like this also, 1:30. So I am saving my event in a calendar. Would you like to send invitation email to the Google Calendar guest? If I click the send, automatically it will mail the information about the meet. So I am right now I am taking the option as don't send. I am saving my invite external guest, yes. Now I have the meeting here. See here, as you can see, DSIP 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. So I have given the meeting for this time, and after that you need to log in a Google Meet. So Google Meet, you need to log in the Google Meet via a particular mail. So I am taking my G Suite account as so the upcoming meet, it will be shown me here. So I just need to join me a meet or start me a meet. So when I am clicking the meet, I just need to write my name as whatever you have to give a name. You can give a name as continue, join the meeting. So we'll be ready with. So here I have taken the extension for the attendance, that's why it is showing. You can take the extension as you can take the extension from the Chrome setting. Here I have shown the extension you can give as a Google Meet attendance. You can add the extension to your Chrome, so it can be easy to take the attendance. Here go to the setting, and here it will show the monitor attendance. You will be auto save the HTML file of attendance. You will be auto save the CSV file of attendance. These things you have to do before your meeting. After the meeting you can't change the setting. Okay, for that you need to add the extension to your browser as Google Chrome. You can add this. Okay, after this I am going to join this meeting. So I am joining this meeting. See here it will show me the content. You can share this also. So the screen will be like this. This is the this is the key for the microphone, and it will show your camera. You can off it here. You can off it also. You can on it whenever you require. Now when I present the screen, I am going to present my lecture. I am going to present my screen, and here we'll be having option as record meeting. This option is available only for the account which is linked with the G Suite. Okay, for normal you will not have this option. Okay, so when I am present, I am going to start the recording. So I will have the option as accept. After accept, here it will show the recording is been started now. So here we'll be having the recording and it will be showing as a red icon. Then I can present my screen. So after presenting my screen, you select the entire screen. So entire screen, here I have shown my PPT. So you can have the PPT also. So click here and share. That means you are sharing your PPT right now. So here we'll be having, you are presenting your screen. So I am sharing this screen. You slide, go to the full screen, and you explain your content as a lecture on chain code and so on. You can scroll down your PPT also. Thank you very much.